This day is one of great celebration and reward. To offer the official greeting on behalf of the graduates, I am pleased to welcome Crystal Coleman and Khalid Muhammad to the When I entered King with all of you in the fall of 2007, I knew I would have to adapt to a challenging environment. Teachers and upperclassmen had already informed me of the academic rigor, but as a social person, I was more interested in how the people would engage at the school. Initially, I wanted to focus on basketball, so I tried out and began playing with the Jaguars. After the first year, however, I did not return. I can recall our head coach urging everyone to find their niche, but I understood he meant passion. And although I've always enjoyed playing basketball, it was never my passion. Sophomore year, I decided to devote my energy towards community service. For this reason, I joined the Kappa League, not only because the organization can help enhance my leadership skills, but because the program was focused on public service. At this point in my life, I can contemplate the past and appreciate that I made a significant step in making this decision. The Kappa League ingrained in me the meaning of commitment, sacrifice, and success. As a result of what I learned, I became the youngest candidate to qualify to run for Alderman. On November 22nd, the day before my 18th birthday, I found my nomination papers to run for Alderman of the 7th Ward.
Yes, it is.
In such a short period of time, we have learned a great deal about each other and about society. Over the years, we've established dynamic relationships that will remain long after we matriculate to college and pursue our careers. Here, in this room, we have aspiring engineers, architects, musicians, writers, doctors, entrepreneurs, actors and actresses, and public servants. Above all, whatever you aspire to be in the future, whatever you are passionate about, I encourage you to be not successful, but great. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. said at the Youth March on Washington that whatever career you may choose for yourself, become a dedicated writer for civil rights. Make it a central part of your life.
It will make you that better doctor, a better lawyer, a better teacher. It will enrich your spirit as nothing else possibly can. It will give you that rare sense of nobility that can only spring from love and selflessly helping your fellow man. Make a career of humanity.
Commit yourself to the noble struggle for civil rights. It will make a greater person of yourself, it will make a greater nation of your country, and a final world to live in.
It is now my pleasure to present the candidates for diploma for Division 107. Joseph
whether economic, racial, or educational. He saw potential in us as youth. So let us do something with that. Let us make a change.
To the class of 2011, I wish you great